Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my another video, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can execute Python files from Node.js, and it's very easy to use. No plugins or additional dependencies are required. So let's jump into the video.
So as you can see, we have two files here. The first one is Python file, which we are going to execute using our JavaScript file. So let's start by importing spawn function from child process module, which is inbuilt in Node.js. And next, we are going to import Python process using spawn function. And the argument we are going to pass is the file name. And now, we are going to capture the output from the Python file and log it in our console using JavaScript. Now let's try to execute our JavaScript file using Node.js. As you can see, we have got the output in buffer. We can convert them to a string using .toString function. Well, there was no need to add return statement to every function. Next, we are going to import system module in our Python file, so we can check the argument passed to the Python file. Next, we are going to add validation to check if the argument is passed or not. Now let's pass 1 as a parameter using Node.js, and there we go, we can now see the output in the terminal. I hope by now you have learned how to execute Python files from JavaScript. If you like the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.